Hey guys, okay, so it's a double entendre here with everybody in the crew. This is our first gameplay video. I've done this a couple times. I've done a lot of crack before this. And, so how this is gonna work. If, say, Colton loses, at the end he's gonna have to eat something shitty. But our first and second place are gonna be okay. But the third and fourth, they're gonna have to eat something nasty. I'm not pointing at these two in general. We played a couple practice rounds and I actually lost one of them.
I eat shit a lot.
If that happens, somebody's gonna be eating some nasty shit at the end. Everybody have their favorite color?
No, I want this one. I swear to God, son, you fucking over.
Oh, I almost killed myself right off the bat.
Why?
I got a banana up my butt. I wanna go POW! Oh fuck.
This boy's.
Woo! I got a fucking robot for what the hell? Okay. I'm gonna get this and I'm gonna.
Oh, neck.
If I just can fucking. Just fucking hit it!
Please.
Oh, it's gone. It's like, oh, it's back. Fuck! I jumped too high!
I hit you.
I know! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm fucking zooming. I'm gonna hit you. Take that. And oh!
I'm already
now
back
you're
to
fucking
normal.
baby size. Oh! Fucking Ian. Oh, that wasn't even me! That was Bob! You fucking chose the purple one and I thought it was the purple.
Well, yeah, actually.
Look at my oh my fucking god! That's me, bitch! Zoom, zoom, zoom!
Oh,
Zoom, zoom! See ya!
He hit me.
Flat. Going in my montage. Oh fuck! I just like took me up in his arms and dangled my angle. Go to school and you'll get extra brain. Oh, get fucked! Get fucked!
No.
See the asshole.
Still back, bitch.
Boy! 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 Boy!
Oh, I tried to knock you off.
Fuck with me!
No,
Fuck with me!
Fuck.
See ya!
No, please,
See
I
ya!
don't want this.
See ya! Whoa! Ah! The comeback's real.
Fucking died.
You died?
Yes.
Fuck.
Oh, fuck you! Damn it!
I'm still gonna find a way to fuck this up.
Oh, fuck. Fox. I keep forgetting who I am.
I need. Oh no, dude.
You see?
Fuck me. No.
How do I do it? How do I do it? How'd you do it, Colton?
Don't ask questions. You should have prepared.
Fucking gonna get the shit. He's gonna. Oh, what the hell? No, come back! Ow.
I don't even know how to pick items up, guys.
Whoa, I just zoomed! Did you see that shit?
I did.
Oh, you lucky.
Seth, leave me alone. We know who the real bad guy is here.
Come on, I feel sorry for Colton.
Dude, why would you? Yes! Yes! The first time I not got last.
Boom!
I don't know where my controller went. There.
What happened?
It turned off.
Oh shit, it's back!
Fuck
It's there.
God, that would have been really bad.
I would have been so pissed. First game I fucking win.
Uh-oh.
Seth, don't let me down.
You turned the console off.
Yeah, he just goes.
Thought it just went up on its own. Fuck.
I'm so pissed. I hope you have a beautiful child. And he gets his leg ran over by a Mack truck.
I think I found it. I was just tapping on the wrong file.
I take it back.
You can never take that back.
Got some new yams today. I'm gonna be unboxing.
Oh my! It's not worth it, and I'm going to be a pussy and back out.
E-boy and Robert and we're eating some yams. I'm not gonna swallow it. I'm gonna put it in my mouth.
Oh.
Spit it out.
Just don't do it.
Fuck, I kinda have to. You won't put my tongue in, dummy.
A little.
Mmm.
Goes back for seconds.
Oh! Try some of that. Do it from the other side because I spit on that side, remember?
You spit.
You spit,
in the
it's
fucking
a liquid. It's
yeah.
not.
burns a little bit.
Yeah, I'm not being disgusting.
One apple tea.
Hold on, I'm gonna smell it.
Your female body part.
It just smells like coffee.
It's not the yams either.
Oh, that.
The hell is over there? I mean, it's disgusting, but I won't feel like I just ate
Yams.
something older than Colton's girlfriend.
Oh!
Put it in your mouth, please. I want you to go through what I did.
It's fucking off. Take it back. I didn't like it.
What's
Bring
in
me
it?
something else.
It's bring